If you are actually serious about your placement, then you must know this question. If you know this question, then drop a comment. If you don't know, then be with me. We are given an array in which height of the building is given. Our task is to find the total amount of trapping rainwater which will stuck between those buildings. So we have to calculate the total amount of rainwater trapped between those buildings. So how to calculate that? First of all, for trapping of the rainwater, there must be two buildings on the left side and on the right side. That some building which is higher than the another one. In that case only we will trap the rainwater in between these two buildings. We have trapped the rainwater here, and the rainwater will be trapped till this level, lower building level, because more than this will flow. First clarify what do we need to tap the rainwater. First of all, there must be the two buildings on the left side and on the right side, irrespective of their height. The water will be logged in between them, and then we have to go top of each building and calculate how much water is stored. So for any particular building, how many water will be stored? See an example. For these two buildings, there is this much water is being stored. We can see that it is nothing than 1 unit. So how can we calculate that? So it is nothing than minimum of both the building. The minimum of left building and right building, the height which will be minimum will be taken, and that height will be minus by current array's position, which is nothing than this is 0. Then we will minus it, and 1 minus 0 we will get our 1 unit of rainwater. And if we will sum all of them from 0 to I equals to n, then we will get our total number of rainwater. Calculating this, we are having two methods. In this video we are going to understand the first method. So in first method we will take help of prefix max and suffix max. So prefix max will hold the maximum length of the building from the starting, and the suffix max will hold the maximum length of the building from the backward, and it will contain for each and every indexes. For example, for 0 it is 0, and for 1 the greater building is 1. Then for this 0 the prefix maximum will be 1. For 2 the prefix max will be 2 only. For 1 the prefix max will be 1, and so on. And then for suffix max, same to same, no problem. And at the end we will use this formula in instead of left max, right max, we will define left max as prefix max of I and right max as suffix max of I. Then simply find out which one is minimum and subtract it with current array's index, and we will run a loop from I equals to 0 to n and find how many total number of water is being logged, and at the end we will simply return that total amount of water. But here is the problem, that we are using extra 2 space which leads to big O of 3n, which is very much. We have to reduce this